Sisopay Schools Division Superintendent of the Division of Misamis Oriental, represented by Dr. Rodora Elgin Galyares, the EPS in SGOD. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Baliwagan Central School for school year 2023-2024, of whom 61 are male and 52 are female. A total of 113 grade 6 learners who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum elementary level of the Department of Education. May I therefore request our PSDS, Ma'am Dailinda Obequeso, to certify.
Upon the presentation of the principal, Mrs. Charito Liacuna, to Ma'am Galyares, I have the honor to certify that these 113 grade 6 learners have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum in elementary level of the Department of Education. I therefore certify that they are eligible for graduation. And may I therefore request our division representative, Dr. Rodora Galyares, to confirm their graduation.
Thank you, ma'am. By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the school's division superintendent of the Department of Education, Division of Misamis Oriental, Dr. Edelberto L. Oplinaria, certify, and with the presentation of your school principal, Madam Charito Liacuna, and with the certification of our public schools district supervisor, Madam Dailinda Obequeso, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education prescribed by the Department of Education for the elementary schools of the Republic of the Philippines. I now confirm you elementary graduates of Baliwagan Central School for school year 2023-2024. Congratulations and God bless everyone.
Thank you very